Obwenge in diversity, Odieshi in brutality, crown in loyalty. So let's bow in loyalty and worship His Majesty. He never went to university, yet the capability of his mentality supersedes the totality of progressors even in their conformity and the mention of his identity. Principalities are incapacity, despite the density of his responsibility. No vacancy for impossibility. The master of creation that reigned from generation to generation. He died in crucifixion. Partnership for your own emancipation. Through his contamination, your state divine justification, and before your station to his mansion, he made provision for your fusion. Is your portion and possession in all ramification. The God of your commission that foreknew you even before the creation. Nothing like omission in his mission. You're present there in every situation that lifted in a place of your position and set your feet in a higher position. The center of attraction behind every discussion, beautiful beyond description, and not limited by your own imagination. Now our Lord God is able, stable and unbeatable. He will never suffer your feet to tremble. Though rivals may gather around your table, they will surely gather and totally crumble. Though our Lord is made bankable to make you stable, even when you crumble, and never ever to stumble. That is why I say, aspire to acquire your desire, which you have admired. If by the road you aspire, do not retire, but refire, because in Isaiah, in Jeremiah, Obadiah, it is the desire of Messiah to grant to her desire. So we aspire to acquire your desire, expect to aspire. When you get tired, look unto Messiah. He will give you a fire, and never will you go where.
To our channel right now. You will watch. It's a funny video, man.